What's up everyone? Today I'm drawing a muscular body sketch, just practicing anatomy and muscle form. Let's see how it turns out. First, I'm going to sketch the basic body shape, then I'll start adding the muscles and details step by step. Next, I'm adding details to the shoulders and shaping the chest to give it more strength and volume. I'll refine the muscle lines to make everything look more natural. In this step I'm going to add shadows to make it look real, then finishing up the muscles and small details. Now let's draw the next muscle body, which will be a little different from the one we did before. I'll show the changes in shape and muscle definition step by step. It's similar to the one we drew before, but it's going to be a little bigger and thicker. I'm aiming for a more muscular build, kind of like Baki from the anime Baki. I'll show you how to make the chest, shoulders, and muscles look bigger and more powerful. Just like the one before, I'm going to add shadows to this body too. This will make the muscles look more realistic and give the figure more depth. Alright, that's it for this muscular body drawing. You can use some of my tips to improve your own drawings. I'm still learning too, so I'll keep practicing and improving my art as well. I hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more drawing videos.